Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to control who can reply and quote your posts on the Threads app using an Android phone. This feature helps you manage your conversations and privacy by limiting responses to your posts. First, open the Threads app on your Android phone. Make sure you're in the Profile section. You can do this by tapping your profile icon. Find the post you want to control. Tap the three dots icon next to that post. Select Who Can Reply and Quote. Choose from the options: anyone, your followers, profiles you follow, or mentioned only. This setting will restrict who can reply to or quote your post, giving you better control over your interactions. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to manage replies and quotes on Threads. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and updates about social media apps.